What to say?
Highlights.
His
Highlights.
father must be
No.
watching.
Highlights are there, no? Avika Jain. Just wait.
Yes, ma'am. Avika Jain is a new student.
Yes,
New
ma'am.
student, but I have sent the link. Let me talk to that girl, okay? Just
Ma'am, you ever take attendance?
Nishad, I won't take attendance. Computer will do that, okay?
Okay, ma'am. मैम आपने गूगल फॉर्म भेज दिया. सारा मैम.
Sairam, beta, Sairam, I'm here only. Okay.
मैम आपने गूगल फॉर्म भेज दिया.
Okay, Avika is there. Okay, Sairam, beta, Sairam.
मैम आपने गूगल फॉर्म भेज दिया है क्या?
निशांत क्यों गूगल फॉर्म भेज दिया होगा ये बताओ मुझे पहले तो. क्यों भेज दिया? Sairam, Hardik, I responded you earlier also. Okay? हंसना नहीं है, ठीक है? मजाक नहीं चल रहा बेटा. Okay, come on, join your hands and close your eyes. Sairam. Okay.
Sairam ma'am.
Before we move further, let us take a look on dates. Okay, you have read about AD and BC or CE. Have you read that in the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
BC, CE. Okay, so these are the terms used for timeline of history. Okay, so we'll be watching a small video from Tata Classes to understand about this timeline, and later on we'll be watching the PPT. Okay.
Okay
Ma'am, BC means before Christ.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Avika?
have you sent any notes?
No, beta. No, not now. Okay.
Ma'am.
I'm muting myself, beta. Okay.
Which is the earliest date? Now that you have since the beginning of human history, People used different ways to classify the passage of time. But the calendar most people follow in their daily lives today is based on the year in which Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity, was born. For example, if a child is born in the year 2005, it means that he or she is born 2005 years after the birth of Christ. The year 2005 can also be written as 2005 AD. The letters AD stand for Anno Domini, which means in the year of the Lord, that is, Jesus Christ. Similarly, all dates before the birth of Christ have the letters BC written next to them and are counted backwards from the birth of Christ. So, a child born in 2005 BC would have been born 2005 years before the birth of Christ and 4010 years before this child was born. Note that the letters CE and BCE are often used instead of AD and BC. CE stands for Common Era and BCE stands for Before Common Era. The term Common Era is used since the Christian era calendar is now used in most countries of the world. Take a look at these events on the timelines. Notice how they are tagged AD or BC depending on whether they occurred before or after the birth of Christ.
Okay, now you have understood why BC, AD, CE.
Ma'am, but
or
I couldn't hear BCE and CE.
CE is used for AD. Okay? CE is used for AC now. Common era. Means
And
the
ma'am,
in the year
ma'am,
of the
BCE is before Common Era.
era. Yes. Okay. So in later classes we said before Christ. Yes, before Christ. Okay. So nowadays you will find the term BCE, that is before Common Era. What was before Common Era? That was before the birth of the Christ. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm showing my PPT. Okay. I'm again presenting the screen. And what we discussed yesterday in brief, today we'll be discussing in detail. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's really visible.
Yes, ma'am. Clearly visible.
Okay, fine. Now PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
So our first chapter of history is what, where, how, and when. Okay. Now yesterday we discussed about various sources to know our past. So few are these sources, like by seeing the coins, by seeing the old things, utensils, tools, weapons, bones,
Ma'am,
dead
buildings.
bodies, buildings, yes.
Ma'am,
We can
fossils.
know about our past. Yes, beta. Yes. Yes. We have discussed in detail yesterday also. So these are few pictures only. Okay. Finding the past. Now, how can we find out our past? See, from the evidences like, evidences से क्या पता चलता होगा? What people ate that time, the kinds of clothes they wore that time when we were not there. Okay. Types of houses in which they lived, how they made houses, what type of houses they were making, why did they make such type of houses. So by finding the evidences, we come to know about all these things. We can find out about the lives of hunters also, herders also, farmers also, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artists, musicians, scientists with the help of sources. Okay, so by looking at the sources only, we come to know about all these things. So it becomes easier for us to know about our past. Yes, beta?
And what are herders?
हर्डर्स मीन्स दोज हु यूज्ड टू हर्ड एनिमल्स, पशुपालन करते थे, जो डोमेस्टिकेट करते थे, जो रियरिंग करते थे, दे वर नोन एज हर्डर्स. ओके ओके बेटा.
Ma'am, in the olden days, there were scientists too.
Scientist of olden age means previous time when you were not there, you come to know about them also by seeing the evidences only when you were
Yes,
not
ma'am.
there. Okay, like I told you, the present time when you are here and later on in future when we were not
Ma'am.
there, okay, when we will not be there, then
Ma'am.
this time will be the past, this time will be the history. So आज के बारे में आपको जानना होगा, जो आने वाली फ्यूचर होगी, फ्यूचर जनरेशन को अगर आज की प्रेजेंट टाइम के बारे में जानना होगा, तो दैट वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट फॉर देम. ओके, ऐसे ही हमारे लिए भी वो प्रेजेंट नहीं था, क्योंकि हम वहां पे नहीं थे. वी हैवंट सीन दैट, वी हैवंट एक्सपीरियंस दोस थिंग्स. हम तो उनको बस पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट एविडेंसेस रिलेटेड टू दोस थिंग्स. On the basis of the evidences, we have observed these things, that how they live, what they ate, okay, what type of houses they made. So these are the evidences. Like we have seen earlier also, these are the evidences, and we have talked about so many different things like buildings, palaces, forts, manuscripts, inscriptions. So all these things, they are helpful in finding out our past.
Ma'am.
Now this also we discussed, where did people live? Okay, earlier we have discussed that people used to live near the banks of the river.
Ma'am.
They looked for the sources of water to live there. Okay, because without water we cannot survive. So they started settling their life near the banks of rivers or water sources. Okay, so the evidences, the archaeologists have found evidences of the banks of Narmada river. They found that people used to live there. Early men used to live there near the banks of the Narmada river.
Ma'am, how did they find out?
So again, you come back to sources. Okay, they have.
मैम गड्ढे खोद के.
Yes, beta.
मैम इसको
Yes.
नोटबुक में लिखना है.
वो गड्ढे खोद के उसमें ढूंढ निकालते थे.
But understand करना है बेटा. Try to understand the concept. If you try to understand it, you will able to explain it. Okay. Yes. Who was asking how they came to know about this? Who was
Ma'am,
asking?
Adrita.
Adrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now who will tell? Who will tell?
मैम
Ma'am, maybe they went in search for place where they can make their houses and water is near.
Yes. So we have just talked about the sources. Okay, जितने भी सोर्स थे, स्रोत थे, उनको अगर हम जैसे बोन्स हमको मिल गई, हमें कुछ फूड ग्रेन्स मिल गए, हमें हाउसेस के रिमेन्स मिल गए, हमें वेपन्स मिल गए, उस एरिया में हाँ जो भी चीजें मिली, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दोस सोर्सेज वी कम टू नो दैट पीपल यूज्ड टू लिव हियर. ओके, आप जहाँ पे भी रहते हो, आप घर बनाते हो, आप वहां पे रहते हो, आप उसको बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन रखते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड्स. ओके, सेम वे अर्ली मैन वाज लिविंग in those areas, and he used to do each and everything. Like we have read about that they started farming also, they reared animals also. Okay, so this way, these evidences, when archaeologists have found, they came to know that these things were happening over here. Okay, they took shelter in the natural caves. Why? For protecting them from wild animals, harsh climate, scorching heat of sun, rain, etc. Okay, so they need shelter. So what they did? They looked for the caves or the natural shelter on the trees in forest. They used to live on the trees also in the forest to protect them from wild animals. Okay.
Even kids can also climb on it.
Yes, beta.
The kids also used to climb on them.
Yes. These people were skilled gatherers. Now, yesterday we have discussed about this term. Skilled gatherers means they used to gather things from the forest. Okay. They collected roots, fruits, and forest produce for their food, and they hunted animals also for their food.
Ma'am, but they
Yes,
didn't
ma'am.
get,
They
ma'am, but
eat
they
meat.
couldn't get cow, buffalo, or domestic animals. So how did they eat deer or that wild animals?
Everything. Okay. Initially, they used to hunt animals because they were not knowing anything about them also. That which
Yes, ma'am.
animal
They
is
just
will
took
hurt
the
them or
animals
not.
and ate them.
हाँ तो
Ma'am,
उसके
if
बाद
a wild animal bites them, so what
हाँ
we do?
yes many a times that is why they came to know that this animal may attack us. Okay, and later on they started living in groups. That is why, because they
Yes,
found that
ma'am.
if they are in group, the animals are means they are not going to
Afraid.
harm them. Huh.
Ma'am, how did
Ma'am,
they
they made
got
weapons too.
utensils? How did they got utensils in those times? I mean, did they make them out of mud and water?
Yes. Later on, by seeing, by observing the things, by experiencing them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they made
ऐसा
weapons to protect themselves too. If
हाँ,
a
yes.
sudden animal
They
comes.
started making tools and weapons to hit the animals as well as to protect them from their attacks. Okay.
Did they eat on banana leaf?
Maybe.
Because
Natural things. Natural
people
things.
eat banana leaves.
And now also in Kerala, the people
Yes,
eat
ma'am.
banana.
Sometimes in Bengal.
Yes, ma'am.
I have
It is
eaten.
healthy habit. Okay, you may also try sometime. Okay, if banana plant is there at your place, you can do that also. Okay, someday for fun also. Now, sources of food. Coming to the next topic, sources of food. Now, forest produce is one of the source of food because they used to gather roots, fruits, grains, etc. Whatever they get. Okay, because they were not knowing which fruit is harmful, which root is harmful, which is poisonous or not poisonous, which is healthy or not. So they collected everything. Okay, which they get
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
easily
after
from the
eating
forest.
poisonous fruits, they
Yeah.
came to know that those are poisonous
Yeah.
and these are
So,
okay.
what is that? After
Ma'am, how did they
experience.
knew that there are poisonous roots or poisonous fruits?
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
How
tell
did they
me?
came to know that?
Huh? Yes, beta.
How did they came to know that the roots are
What do you
poisonous
think?
or the fruit?
Okay, what do you think? What do you
Ma'am,
think?
ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, then
Yes,
they-
Advita.
Ma'am, because after they ate it, they knew that those are poisonous. Because at first they didn't know that those were poisonous, and after eating them, they felt sick, and some of them even died, and then they came to know that that is
Yes,
poisonous.
yes, very
Ma'am,
true.
so
Okay,
if
like,
there were many poisonous fruits, they
uh,
all eat all the poisonous fruits and then they knew that, oh, these fruits are poisonous.
yes. So suppose one person has
Ma'am,
eaten taken up. Yes, beta.
if a wild animal bite them, so how they heal their wounds?
Maybe using the
Marble. The
herbs.
plant.
Ayurvedic plants.
And there was herbal forest.
Ma'am, but how did they
Turmeric.
get to know that?
Turmeric.
that is a medicine for this wound, that is that is for this.
If there is a haldi plant, then they use it.
Yes,
See,
ma'am, but how did they know that these are herbal plants and these will cure our animals or our people?
tell me, how do you know that this thing is useful for this
मैम
purpose? At home also you have
मैम
seen that.
वहाँ उन लोगों को ग्रेन्स कैसे मिलता होगा?
We ask our parents or any elder.
Yes. And
Ma'am,
And
we
sometimes
experiment
browse
too.
on the Google, browse on the web.
because you are having that facility, you can browse it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they
But if you don't have
experimented
that
too.
facility, or earlier people came to know
मैम
about various things by discussing, by experiencing, by sharing. Okay. If your parents
Okay,
will
ma'am.
share
Now
something,
understood.
Ma'am,
huh,
but in
yes,
very past, very ancient times, the people don't know that they can talk from they can talk from their mouth. After many years, they knew that.
see, simple example. If you look at a small baby, have you observed that baby initially?
No,
What
ma'am.
did they
ma'am.
do?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
used to talk like you. They know any
No, ma'am.
language.
Ma'am, if we live
Nobody
there,
English.
live with them for days, then we can live. Then we can.
And even those people, those who are not able to talk, they use their gestures, they use their actions to talk to you. And
And sign language.
you try to understand that, no?
Yes, ma'am. If the small baby needs
Suppose
milk, then
I'll
मैम
ask
उन्हें
you,
वहाँ से ग्रेन्स कैसे मिलता होगा?
किससे तन्वी क्या मिलता होगा बेटा?
ग्रेन्स ग्रेन्स
उनको नहीं पता था कि ये ग्रेन्स हैं. They used to collect everything when they feel hungry. Okay, उनको जो कुछ भी मिलता था वो उसको कलेक्ट कर लेते थे और उसको, क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें क्या नेचुरल है. नेचर में जो चीज अवेलेबल है, एक छोटे से बेबी को अगर आप छोड़ दोगे, who is not knowing anything, who is not acquainted with the nature, वो क्या करेगा? क्रॉल करेगा, इधर जाएगा, उधर जाएगा. Everything he or she will get, they used to put in their mouth. Have you observed that? छोटे बेबी को
Yes,
देख
ma'am.
लो, जो भी
Yes, ma'am.
खाएगा सब मुंह में जाएगा.
Ma'am, did they spoke Hindi in the past or any tribal language?
But in the beginning, they started using those languages, or you can say they developed their language to communicate with each other. Okay, if you don't know the language, because languages were not there that time, so they started talking to each other in their own language, like in the actions, in the form of actions. Sanket bhasha जिसको बोलते
And
हैं.
then sounds.
And making sounds. Okay. So later on, when they found that it is very difficult to understand each and one another, so they started creating one or the other sound for a particular, means you can say for a particular use or particular word is created by them to mention that particular thing.
Ma'am,
मुझे आप प्रतिमा बोलते हो तो प्रतिमा मैं अकेले के लिए नहीं हूँ, मेरी पहचान है. ठीक है, तो जितने लोग मुझे जानते हैं, दे कम टू नो दैट दिस इज प्रतिमा. ओके, आपको भी मैं इसी नाम से जानती हूँ कि आदित्री है, नक्षत्रा है, यशमित है, तन्वी है, हार्दिक है, शौर्य है. ओके, अगर आप अपना नाम हर जगह चेंज करते रहोगे कि मेरा मन आज ये कर रहा है, मेरा मन ये कर रहा है, तो आपकी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं बन सकती. Nobody is going to recognize you, identify you. क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि आप उसको बार बार चेंज कर रहे हो. So you are very sure for that कि मेरा नाम आदित्री है and all will call me आदित्री only.
ma'am,
आलू को आलू नहीं बोलेंगे, कोई बोलेगा मेरा तो मन कर रहा है मैं भिंडी बोलूं, कोई बोलेगा मुझे तो मन कर रहा है मैं सेब बोलूं. तो will it work? That thing will not work at all. तो सबने कंसेंसस किया होगा, सबने एक जगह पे अग्रीमेंट किया होगा कि ओके वी विल कॉल दिस थिंग गिवन बाय देम द वर्ड. ओके, कि हम
We call table a table.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
How
this
did they
started that.
name the vegetables? Like this is ladyfinger and this is cauliflower and this is broccoli.
This is potato.
According to the time, as the time passes, no, they started giving name to recognize one or the other thing, so that they will tell to everybody.
Ma'am,
It is
Ma'am,
not.
is this
It does not. It did not happen immediately or suddenly. It took
ma'am, is
time.
this book English in olden days? Their English
how-
language must also be different if they spoke English in olden days.
No.
ma'am,
Huh?
how did they get to know that they can talk through actions?
Actions. अच्छा ठीक है. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आपने कभी बोला कि मुझे प्यास लगी है और आपको बोलना नहीं आता, तो आपने बोला, when did you say that? हाँ? कभी कहा है? आपको बोल दिया जाए चुप होकर बैठ जाओ, तो भी आप बोलते हो, तो भी आप बात करते हो. ठीक है, टीचर ने आपको बोला बी क्वाइट, बट स्टिल यू यूज्ड टू टॉक with the help of your eyes and with the help of the gestures you made. ओके. और दूसरा उसको अंडरस्टैंड भी करता है ना. मम्मा की आंखें देखकर गुस्से वाली आपको समझ में आ जाता कि मम्मा गुस्सा कर रही है. मम्मा ने कुछ नहीं कहा आपको, बट यू अंडरस्टूड दैट. मम्मा ने ये नहीं बोला मैं ऐसे दिखाऊंगी इसका मतलब गुस्सा करना है, ऐसे बोलूंगी तो इसका मतलब प्यार करना है. मम्मा ने एक्सप्लेन किया, पापा ने एक्सप्लेन किया? नेवर.
No, sir. No, ma'am.
But you experienced that. You experienced everything. Then you came to know कि मम्मा ऐसे आंखें दिखा रही है, इसका मतलब ये है. मम्मा ने ऐसा कह दिया या इस तरीके से जेस्चर्स दिया या एक्शन किया है, that means this only. और कई बार आप पकड़ लेते हो, कई बार आप रॉन्ग भी होते हो. ठीक है, जब आप रॉन्ग होते हो तो आप उसको फिर कोशिश करते हो कि उस जगह कौन सा करेक्शन होना चाहिए, क्या कहती है मम्मा उस पर्टिकुलर एक्शन की समय में. तो आपने उस पर रिसर्च किया. आपको नहीं पता आपने कितनी रिसर्च की है.
How they cook food?
हाँ,
How they cook food?
accidentally they started cooking food. Accidentally, everything happened accidentally. Okay.
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
भी आपको ये एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, ओके, तब हमको कुछ भी समझ में आता है कि ये ऐसा है वो वैसा है. हमें कुछ भी पहले से नहीं पता है क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं जानता था. ऑल वर अनअवेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. We were not having languages, we were not having houses, homes, families. ओके, लेकिन धीरे धीरे एक दूसरे के कनेक्शन में आने के बाद हमारी जरूरत के हिसाब से जैसा जैसा हमको फील होता गया, वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग अकॉर्डिंगली, वी वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, तो इस तरीके से धीरे धीरे, जैसा आपने बोला इश्मत की फूड ग्रेन्स कहाँ से मिले, तो दे डिड नॉट गेट एनी फूड ग्रेन. They were collecting only food. जो कुछ भी उनको जंगल में मिला, they used to collect because उनको लगता था कि ये शायद मैं खा पाऊं. ठीक है, उनको जो चीजें ऐसे लगती थी, उन्होंने सारे एनिमल्स को हंट किया होगा. They were not knowing that a few animals, few wild animals, they may attack them. ओके, लेकिन जब उन्होंने उनको मारा होगा, हिट किया होगा और उन्होंने देखा होगा कि दे अटैक देम, दे किल्ड मेनी ऑफ देयर मींस कंपेनियंस और यू कैन से दी फ्रेंड्स, ओके, दोज हु वर लिविंग देयर. तो उन्होंने इस चीज को ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि ये एनिमल हमें अटैक कर सकता है. These things happened on the basis of their experiences. They experienced a lot. आप एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग करते हो ना, और जो काम करते हो ना, वो सारा आपका एक्सपीरियंस होता है. What you have observed about those things, what you have experienced till now. Okay, वो आप सब कुछ इकट्ठा करते हो अपने दिमाग में, ये ऐसा, ये ऐसा, ये ऐसा, then you come with that. तो कोई भी चीज सडनली नहीं हुई, कोई भी चीज इमीडिएटली नहीं हुई, कुछ भी इन्वेंशन तुरंत नहीं हुआ. Okay, it took too much time. Say hundreds of years. Yes, beta.
How they know that cows milk we can drink?
हाँ, this we will come to know in the second chapter and third chapter. Okay, this is there. Okay, so before we proceed further, anybody want to give answer to Nakshatra? Would you like to answer her?
Ma'am, maybe they drank that milk and thought that this milk is good and we can drink it. So that's how they got to know that they can drink cow's milk or buffalo's milk.
Ma'am, but if they don't know that how to take it out from the cow, then how they drink it?
Maybe some accidents.
Ma'am,
Because
I
of,
Ma'am, I
maybe by
have a conclusion. Ma'am,
Advita.
maybe the people were saying that this animal is really like really amazing, and then they were still seeing and then saw the part where the cow milk came from, and then they experimented it and then saw something white is coming from it, and then they tasted it and saw that it is edible and it's good in taste. So they named it milk, and it's
ma'am,
edible.
maybe the tribe's chief was intelligent enough to know that this milk we can drink and this is how we take it out.
Nothing is written about that in the books. Okay, क्योंकि किसी ने उसको देखा नहीं. But कुछ तो हुआ होगा, like you all are telling कि they have observed these things and they experimented that.
And passed down to their sons and daughters.
हाँ, आपकी क्लास में इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, है ना, फिर भी आप हर एक के बारे में जानते हो. कैसे जानते हो? इमीडिएटली जब जो न्यू कमर आते हैं या जैसी एडमिशन हुआ आपको नेक्स्ट डे ही पता चल गया ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है.
Ma'am, by their name.
We observe. We observe.
Yes.
आज आपके पास इतने सारे उनके लिए ओपिनियंस है, किसी के पॉजिटिव ओपिनियन है, किसी के लिए नेगेटिव ओपिनियंस है. कैसे बनाए आपने ये ओपिनियंस?
मैम, उनको observe करके.
मैं ऑब्जर्व करके.
आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा
By
कि
observing
बच्चों के
them
साथ
and
क्या
observing
by
their
observing.
attitude and behavior.
यस डेफिनेटली ऑब्जर्व किया. कुछ घटनाएं आपके साथ हुई होंगी, कुछ इवेंट्स आपने फेस किए होंगे, आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया होगा, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. देन यू केम टू नो कि ये ऐसा करता है या करती है, ये बच्चा ऐसा है, ये सीधा है, इसको उल्लू बना सकते, इससे लड़ नहीं सकते, ये ऐसा करेगा, वैसा करेगा. ये आपने जो उनके लिए नोशंस बनाए हैं, जो ओपिनियंस बनाए हैं, जो व्यूज सोचे हैं, वो आपका अपना एक्सपीरियंस बोलता है. ठीक है, मेरे लिए, आपके लिए, जैसे कोई बोले आदित्य को सब पता है, आदित्य गुस्सा भी होती है, सपोज, ठीक है, मैं बोलूंगी नहीं, आई नेवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस आपके एक्सपीरियंस से डिफरेंट हो सकता है, मेरा नोशन आपके नोशन से डिफरेंट हो सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस वैसा नहीं है, मैंने वो चीज ऑब्जर्व नहीं की है. आपने जो ऑब्जर्व किया है, यू आर टेलिंग ऑल द थिंग्स, यू आर मेकिंग योर ओपिनियंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. तो एवरी टाइम वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग सम और द अदर थिंग, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वी मेक आवर ओपिनियन, वी क्रिएट ओपिनियन. ठीक है, तो ओपिनियन ऐसे ही बनते हैं और इसीलिए सब वेरी करते हैं, सब डिफरेंट होते हैं. मेरा ओपिनियन हो सकता है आपसे मैच नहीं करे, आपका ओपिनियन मुझसे मैच नहीं करेगा, या आपके फ्रेंड से मैच नहीं करेगा. बट उसके लिए फिर क्या करना पड़ता है? हमको कन्विंस करना पड़ता है प्रॉपर फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स के साथ में. अगर बोल दिया जाए कि अर्ली मैन तो ऐसा करता था, वैसा करता था, बट विदाउट लुकिंग एट द सोर्सेज दैट वी हैव गॉट, can we say yes to anybody?
No, ma'am.
No. So
No, ma'am.
archaeologists and historians have done a lot to write the history. कुछ भी लिख देने से हिस्ट्री नहीं बनती है. हिस्ट्री is totally based on sources, facts. ठीक है, उनको जोड़ा जाता है, बहुत टाइम लेता है. मुझे कुछ आज जमीन में मिला, मैंने एक हिस्ट्री लिख दी कि ये तो इस टाइम से होगा शायद. इट विल नॉट वर्क एट ऑल. फिर क्या होगा? उस पर रिसर्च होगी, बहुत सारे लोग उस पर बातें करेंगे, उसको टेस्ट करेंगे. टेस्ट करने के बाद जब सबका एग्रीमेंट आएगा तब वो फाइनलाइज होगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरे मन किया मैंने लिख दिया कुछ भी कहानी बना के, ऐसा नहीं चलता. So हमें हर चीज का प्रूफ चाहिए. When you have proof, you will be convinced. ठीक है, आप कोई काम करते, कोई एक्टिविटी घर में करते हो, तो मम्मा अगर बोलती है कि ऐसा नहीं करते, तो आप बोलोगे क्यों नहीं करते, पहले बताओ क्यों नहीं करते, फिर मैं नहीं करूंगा. या ये करने से अच्छा होता है, पहले प्रूफ दो, कहाँ अच्छा हुआ. You ask them. और जब आप कन्विंस होते हो ना, then you do that. जब तक आप कन्विंस नहीं होते ना, आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते, आप डिनाई करते रहते हो, आप उनको डिसोबे करते हो कि आई वोंट डू दैट, क्योंकि मुझे तो ये ऐसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि आप कन्विंस नहीं है. तो किसी भी चीज को मनवाने के लिए हमें उनको कन्विंस करना पड़ता है. मुझे आपको कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा कि दिस वाज हैपेंड इन दी पास्ट. फिर आप पूछोगे क्यों, कैसे, तो मुझे आपको प्रूफ देने पड़ेंगे कि ये ऐसा इसलिए है, दैट इज व्हाई.
And ma'am, sometimes when our friends say, I did this, I did that, I went there. So we ask, where is the proof? I don't believe you.
Yes, then you see photographs and all. फिर मम्मा बताती है कि आप बचपन में ऐसे थे, हम वहां गए थे, आपने ये किया था, वो किया था. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, और ये सारी चीजें प्रूफ्स पे बेस्ड होती हैं. प्रूफ्स पे बेस्ड होती हैं. आप बोलोगे मैंने तो 5th में टॉप किया, मैं पूछूंगी आपके मार्क्स दिखाओ, then only I'll believe, no? तो that is the proof. तो बिना प्रूफ के कोई भी चीज हाँ या ना नहीं हो सकती है. You have to, okay, you have to prove it. दूसरे को कन्विंस करने से पहले आपको उसको प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा ही है, अदरवाइज आपको दूसरे का ओपिनियन एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, मैं बोलूं मेरा राइट हैंड दिस साइड है, और मैं सभी को बोलूं ओके योर राइट हैंड इज दिस, आप बोलो कि गलत बोल रही है मैम, मेरा राइट हैंड तो इस साइड में है ना. फिर मुझे आपको बताना पड़ेगा बिकॉज यू आर अपोजिट टू मी, इसलिए ऐसा है. तब आप कन्विंस हो गए, फिर आप बोलोगे यस नाउ दिस इज करेक्ट, कि मैं आपके ऑपोजिट में हूं तो मेरा वो चीज भी ऑपोजिट में ही होगा. ठीक है, ओके, shall we proceed further? One more slide.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
history is very interesting.
If you take interest,
ma'am.
it is very interesting. But
Ma'am,
you
it's
have to.
hard, but it's interesting and it's really fun too.
We can see your
Ah.
screen.
You can learn history, you know, in the form of story. I know you love to hear story, you love to tell stories, okay? So read history in the form of story. Okay, now various sources of food. We have discussed yesterday about this. Forest produce, they collected roots, fruits, grains, etc. from the forest. Now they hunted
Yes, ma'am.
animals also, that is why they are known as hunters also. So later on you will come to know that these people, the early people, they were known as hunter gatherers because they used to hunt animals and they used to collect forest produce also. Now they started growing crops like wheat and barley about 800 years ago near the northwest region where Suleiman and Kirtar hills are located. Now look at this map. Okay, this is northwest. Got it? This is north. This is Kashmir, your Himalayan region. Got it? You can see my cursor. Can you? Can
Yes,
you
yes,
see my
ma'am.
cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
This map is there in your book. This map is there in your book. Okay, you can see that these are Kirtar and Suleiman hills. Okay, this is Indus region. Okay.
From now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, have you give any slide to do in our copy?
No, beta, this is chapter. I have made these slides in very means you can say in compact form, compressed form. Okay, to make you understand because you don't read chapters. Many of you. Only few students used to go through the chapters. That is why. Okay. So
Ma'am.
this is Yes. Yes, beta.
What is this in the west part of this map?
West part. This is the west part. This is north. So this part is north and west, northwest part, because it is in between north and west. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see Kirtar and Suleiman Hills? This is Kirtar
Yes,
and Suleiman Hills. Okay. Now again coming back. So here archaeologists have found evidences of crops grown by the early people. They found grains. Which grains? Wheat and barley. So they came to know, because they got evidence of wheat and barley, they came to know that people who were dwelling there, who were living there, they used to know farming. They grew crops like wheat and barley. Got it? Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
rearing
Yes,
of
ma'am.
animals, sheep,
But where
goats.
did, ma'am, I have a doubt. Like the wheat and barley plant, we need seeds to plant them. So where
Yes.
do they get the seeds and how they
From
collected
the
the
forest only, from the forest only. They were not knowing any name. They
Ma'am,
did
but
not know
we
them.
can't be lying on the forest ground.
Huh.
Like one, only one plant is and so
They-
they collect it from them.
They collected seeds also, and in these seeds they got these grains also, beta.
Ma'am,
From the
I also
forest.
have a doubt.
Huh.
Ma'am,
Okay.
do hunters hunt animals only for food, only for food and skin?
The animals, they were rearing animals only for food and skin. This is your question, beta.
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
your question?
Ma'am, my question is that does hunter hunt animals only for food and skin?
Initially, they started only for food. They hunted animals only for food and for getting skin, so that they could use their skin as cloths. Okay. Later on, when they came to know this can be used in this form also, that form also, they started rearing animals. Then they were not intended in killing the animals, rather they started rearing them, domesticating them. They started observing them, and then they came to know that this animal is good at this. We can rear this animal for this purpose by observing.
Ma'am, but apart from wearing the animal skin, what is the animal skin really useful for?
Animal skin useful for? Okay.
Yes,
They
apart
were
from
apart from?
wearing it as clothes.
Okay. Anybody else? Anyone? Can you guess? Can you imagine what they were using skin of the animals?
And they must take out the skin from bones from the skin, and then they use sticks to seal them.
Okay, I'll come to that. Okay, just complete this slide and then we'll discuss that question. Okay, Aditri. Rearing of animals, sheep, goat, and cattle. So, evidences, archaeologists have found some evidences. They got the bones of sheep, goat, and cattle, and they came to know that these the early men, those who were living there, they used to rear these animals, sheep, goat, and cattle, because they got the bones of these animals only, so they could say about these animals. The region of Garo Hills to the northeast and the Vindhyas in central India were developed in rice production. Now see again, going back. Okay, Garo Hills, you can see here in the eastern India, northeast India. Can you see Garo Hills?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
What's
can
the
see
map? Okay,
Garo Hills.
here Brahmaputra River. Okay, you can see Garo Hills here. Garo Hills are located in northeast India, in northeastern India. Okay, and the Vindhyas. Can you see Vindhyas here near Narmada River?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these two places Archaeologists have found that in these two places, people used to grow rice also. Okay, so on the basis of
And because there was
yes, and water was available in plenty because these are the places where rivers are there. Now I am coming back. Now, Aditri, what was your question?
My question was that apart from using animal skin for wearing it as clothes, what is animal skin really useful for apart from wearing clothes?
Yes, anybody else? Imagine the things. Imagine it.
And they
What
use
is they
tape.
use for one more thing to make tents?
They started gathering food.
Some
Okay.
blanket.
They need some basket or the bag or something
Ma'am,
like
they
that.
made bags from it.
Ma'am, now I understand. Maybe they use that skin for making tents and using it as a
Of
bed
course,
sheet.
beta. They also experienced all those things. They experimented all those things. Okay, by looking at the things like they were having rivers, they could go and drink water. But if suppose later on they wanted to collect water in some or the other utensil like structure, so what did they do? They found out something like that, natural things, so that they could collect water, they could keep water, they could keep things in that particular basket like structure. Okay, so for that purpose also they started using such things which they have never thought of. ठीक है, मेरे घर में कुछ मिला, आपके घर में कुछ मिला, आपने उसको बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट कैसे बनाया होगा, पता है आपको? आपकी कुछ बास्केट या कोई बॉटल जो पुरानी हो गई, जो टूट गई, यू प्लांटेड वन ट्री, वन प्लांट इन दैट ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट, मनी प्लांट, आपने उसको यूज कर लिया. कैसे यूज कर लिया? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि मैं उसमें उस चीज को रिटेन कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन ग्रो दैट, आई कैन कीप दैट. आप किसी ऐसी चीज में उसको नहीं रख सकते जो कि उसको कैरी नहीं कर सकता. Because human beings were intelligent from the beginning. Now also I must say that you all are very intelligent. You can think about all the things. If you try to think, you will find so many answers कि early मन ने ऐसा सोचा होगा, that is why he used this thing. अगर उसने ऐसा नहीं सोचा होता तो he would not have created all such things. ठीक है, और भी आप सोच सकते हो कि उसने स्किन को और किसी पर्पस के लिए यूज किया होगा. जैसे आदित्य ने बताया कि उसने हो सकता है टैंक्स के लिए यूज किया होगा. उसने अपने टेम्परेरी जब हाउसेस बनाए होंगे इनिशियल स्टेजेस में, तो उसको लगा होगा कि आई हैव टू कवर माय दिस, जो भी उसने वॉल बनाई होगी या कोई कॉर्नर ढूंढा होगा, तो उसमें शेड के तौर पे उसने यूज किया होगा उसको, है ना. मुझे याद है कि जब हम लोग एनसीसी में थे, आई वाज मींस वी यूज्ड टू गो फॉर कैंपिंग एंड ऑल, तो हमें कहीं पे भी ऐसे ले जाके छोड़ दिया जाता था इन स्मॉल ग्रुप्स. और ग्रुप्स में आपको सबसे पहले आपका काम होता था कि यू हैव टू मेक टेंट्स. तो टेंट्स के लिए या तो आपको लकड़ियां चाहिए या स्टोन चाहिए, कुछ तो ऐसा चाहिए होता था, सो दैट वी कुड मेक आवर टेंट्स. और उसके लिए फिर कंपटीशन होता था कि वो हाँ, यस बेटा, हाँ, आई नो मेनी थिंग्स. I know how to use this pistol and rifle. Okay. क्योंकि मेरा एम भी बहुत अच्छा था उस टाइम में, मेरी ड्रिल बहुत अच्छी थी.
Ma'am, have you ever tried to shoot a rifle or pistol
Yes.
at a person?
Yes.
Nothing.
Sorry. Yes, beta.
She
What are
said
you
at a person. She said at a person.
as a
At a person.
person, as a person.
At a person. On a person. Throw on a person.
Never. We were not supposed to do that. Okay, it is 2:20. Okay. Let us conclude our today's class. Monday we'll meet again and we'll continue with this only. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
a
by
new
this,
schedule is coming
And
out.
after a week,
yes, beta.
Then the new timetable came.
I'm not able to understand you. Anyone? Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, a new timetable is coming out. So are you the one? So you are continuing to teach us SSC or some other
Yes.
teacher?
No, only history. I am only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll be teaching social science. Okay. So we'll continue with this only. Okay. Come on. Let's conclude our today's class. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Sairam
Sai
ma'am.
Ram.
Sairam ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.